it's me. Yeah, I'm green. I'm back again. Yeah, just a random video, I guess. Sorry if I play with my bottom jaw, because it's a little broken. It's loose. I gotta glue it on. So if I play with it, if it bobbles around, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna be showing you my squishy collection, cause why not? I mean, I might be eating. So, yeah. Okay. Let's just show you the first squishy. I'm just gonna take, I have a box of them here. Some of these are Great Mans. It's fine. First thing is this cupcake one. Let me finish eating. I know you really do. Okay, so this is a cupcake one. Just little I made little tags for my squishies. I'll just put tags on them. I found this ribbon. It says TNG on it. I don't know, it's kind of polarizing. I mean, it's pretty soft and satisfying to squish. So yeah. Next. Oh yeah, I got this from like a pharmacy, I think. I also got this from a pharmacy. It says TNG. It's the same exact tag, every single one. This is this ice cream one, strawberry ice cream. This one's soft like the other one as well. Sorry if you hear stuff. Smush. This one's really cool. It's one of my favorites. I mean, it's not my, I don't know. Next. This is from the pharmacy as well. I didn't give it a tag because I got it recently. It's a French fry package. I never saw this at the pharmacy before, and I'm like, oh wow, that's cool, so I just got it. I mean, it's not that surprising. Oh, I punched myself. But it's still soft like the other two from the pharmacy. Next, this one's, no, I'll save Greg the Great Man's. Actually, no. So this one's Greg the Great Man's. This one's really soft. It's a watermelon from the pharmacy as well. It's pretty slow rising, but it's like super soft. This is Greg the Great Man's. This is Greg the Great Man's. And, yeah. I'll just put this, I keep it in the container because, yeah. This one used to be mine. This is not from a pharmacy. It has a lot of defects. This is one of my first squishies that I got. Sorry. One of my first squishies that I got. So it has a lot of defects on it. Sorry, just check stuff. I gave this one to Greg the Great Man. It's not really rising. It's super. I got this from Chinatown, I think. Yeah. I guess I'll show you this one. I got this at Toys R Us. This one has a different tag because it doesn't have a thing. It's taped though. It still says TNG on it. This Shopkins one, I think the Shopkins is called Delish Donut. If I'm wrong, please correct me. I don't really collect Shopkins. I just saw this at the store and I'm like, oh, cool. This used to have arms and legs, but I ripped them off because I'm evil. I used to use it as a pencil topper because there's a hole in there. It's not that slow rising. Next, I have this. This is a kiwi one. I got this from the pharmacy as well. I didn't put a tag on it. It's a kiwi. I actually really like this one. It might look like an avocado at first, but it's a kiwi. I mean, it's a weird looking avocado kiwi. It's not that solid, but it's soft, like most of the other ones. From the pharmacy. Next, this one's from the pharmacy as well. This is my first one from the pharmacy. The tag again. It's a green macaron. Showing you. This one's not as soft as the other ones. Yeah, I went to the pharmacy when I was gonna get the French fries. I saw like a pink one, and it was super soft. Not as soft as the watermelon though. This is softer. It feels like fluffy. This is kind of hard, but I really like it. This one I got from Michael's, I think. It used to smell like vanilla. I can't smell it, but it used to smell like vanilla. None of these really smell. I mean, the pharmacy ones kind of smell kind of good. I mean, they smell like perfume. This one doesn't smell. This used to smell like vanilla. I put it in my bag once, and then it just... Like, people kept on playing with it, so it's so dirty. I have this tiny macaron. This one's from Michael's as well. It's really not so rising. I don't like this one. It's super tiny. I mean, it's fine. This is from Chinatown as well. It's not even so rising. It used to have drizzle on it, like drizzle, but I ripped it off, and I mean, it fell off. I'm like, oh, okay, so I'll just put on stickers. So defects. I don't like this one either. I mean, it looks cool, but it feels better. This one, I got this from Chinatown. It used to have this weird face on it. I'm like, screw it. So I peeled it off, and then I just painted my own face. But I originally got it from Chinatown. Can you see this old face? There's nothing. There's no tag on it. Nothing. It's the most slow rising one I have from the Chinatown ones, but they're not. It's not that slow rising. Just get comfortable with it. Okay, so this is another one of the Root Man's. It's a pizza. This one's from the pharmacy, I think. Yeah, it's from the pharmacy. I mean, it's just super thin. It's not like super slow rising. It's fine. Okay, I found this. Oh, oops. On like my brother, the other Root Man, found this on a bus. It probably rolled to him. Just strawberry smelling rainbow poop. I really like this squishy. See, it's really cool. And it's like my most slow rising squishy. It smells like strawberries. Well, I already told you that, but like I think it's strawberries. Like I smelled it. I can't smell it now. Actually. Nah. But yeah. It was like strawberries, but I think it also said. Okay, so this used to be mine, but I gave it to my brother. It's this ice cream. It looks pretty good. It's pretty slow rising. I like it. It smells like, it used to smell like vanilla, then wafer. It changed its smell like every day. Tag fell off. I'll put that back on later. Yeah. I got this from, I got it from some place in Manhattan, I think. I don't know. But I got it in some place over there, and it was this kawaii shop. And I was looking like, oh, maybe they have squishies. And then I found this. Like a little weird, the green bird. I think it looks amazing. It smells really good too. Let me try some. It smells really good. Yeah. There's that. Oh my god, my eyes are itchy. Okay, I'm good. Next. No, I'm gonna show you this one. So this one is from the pharmacy one. This is like my. I have two big ones. This one's like. This one's pretty big compared to my hand. Just. I mean, I can hold my palm. It's pretty soft, but it has a lot of. Got really defected really quickly. But I still like it because it's. Yeah, it's pancakes. I tell it's pancakes. So this is from the pharmacy. I think I already told you that, but I'm just reminding. Looks pretty good. Snack. It doesn't really smell like anything, but this one, I traded this. Well, yeah, you should know because I posted the video. I'm gonna post that video before this one, because it's pre-filmed. Like I traded, so at the same time with the French fries from the store, I got like this huge croissant. Oh my god, I got this huge croissant, and it was kind of stiff, but it was like $10. I think this one was $10 as well. Same pharmacy. What happened is we were doing the trading, and he traded me this for it. I mean, this is like, I've seen these before, and I really like this. It smells like strawberries. It's too big, so I can't smell it, but it smells like strawberries. My grandma actually kind of like put water over it, because she's like, oh, it's dirty, I'm gonna wash it. I'm like, no, you're gonna destroy it, and then she like washed it. Oh, she washed it kind of, and then it kind of lost its smell, but it still smells. I'm not the best reviewer, okay, I know this is squishy though. It's kind of broken there. Also, I think my friend gave it to me like this, but like, okay, so he had this. It's been 13 minutes. This is supposed to be like this. You see how it's like shiny? But I think it's shine chipped off. I mean, it's fine. It still looks pretty good. I like this side more. If I'd ever review, I'd be like, oh, it's this side. I'm not going to show this side. I can kind of, no, you can't smell it because the smell's gone. Almost gone. I really love this. Oh, it's my favorite squishy I own. When my friend showed me this, I'm like, oh my god, you have that? And I'm like, he's like, yeah. Like, he actually said it was a fair trade, the croissant, for this piece of crap. Like, bruh. I mean, this is not a piece of crap, I know, but this thing. I'm playing with it too much, aren't I? Oh, my back hurts. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna end it there. Boom. Sorry if the video was clickbait, by the way, because I made clickbait. Like, I was cutting this. But it doesn't matter. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Does it work for? Just a marker, okay. Yeah. Bye. Here, have a red nose day nose. Why not? Okay, seriously.